Hey guys, welcome back to the Pep Coding. So in this video, we are going to discuss our next question, that is prefix evaluation and convergence. Okay. So in this question, we have an prefix expression. We need to calculate its value. We need to convert it into infix format and postfix format. Okay. So the given example or of this question is this. So this is in prefix format. Okay. This is in prefix format and we need to calculate its value, need to convert it into infix format and postfix format. Okay, so for solving this question we need three steps. First one will be for value, second is for infix, third is for postfix. So the infix expression will be look like this: opening bracket, value 1 operator, value 2. Okay, and the postfix will be value 1 value 2 operator. So we need to convert this expression. This is operator value 1 value 2. Okay, we need to convert this operator value 1 value 2 into these two form. Okay, and calculate its value also. So for solving this question, for solving this expression, we need to traverse on this expression from right to left here. Okay, so first 3 appear, 3 is pushed into each stack, every stack. 3 will be pushed into this. 8 appears, 8 is pushed into 3 stacks. 4 appears, 4 is also pushed into every stack here. Now 6 appears, 6 is pushed into every stack here. Now multiplication of here. This is the operator. So when the operator comes in the game, then we need to pop 2 elements from each stack and solve it first, and after that again run that loop. Okay, so if the expression is like this is the prefix expression minus ab, and this is operator v1 and v2. Okay, for solving this expression we are traversing from right to left. So for example, this is an operand stack. B appears, b will be pushed into operand stack and this is a value 2. A appears, a is pushed into operator stack and this is a value 1. Minus appear, so the operator appears here. When the operator comes in the game, then we need to pop 2 elements from stack. So this is, and we need to solve it first. So when solving, this is the expression. So we can easily understand this expression. So v1 is here, a operator is this, that is minus, and v2 is b. Okay, so when we are traversing on any expression from right to left, then the popping are right. When we are traversing on any expression from left to right, then the popping will be different, something different. That is like this: a b plus. A appears, this is v1, this is v2, and this is operator. A appears, a push into operator stack, this is value 1. B appears, this is value 2. Operator appears now. When the operator appears, we need to pop the 2 elements. So this is a value 2 in this is a value 1. And when we are traversing on any expression from right to left, then the upper element is value 1 and the lower element is value 2. So we need to solve this expression like this. Okay, so for solving these expressions, we need to pop popping 2 elements from every stack. For solving first it, this is value 1 and this is value 2. For solving this multiplication, 6 into 4, that is 24. Okay, for infix, opening bracket first, then value 1, that is 6, then operator, that is multiplication, value 2, that is 4, bracket complete. Now postfix, value 1 value 2 operator, value 1 6 4 and the operator is this. Now erase this and push this into these stacks. Now division of appear here, so the operator will be divided now. So pop these pop 2 elements from every stack. Popping 2 elements from every stack. This is a value 1, this is value 2. Solving this, 24 operator 24 operator, value 1 operator, value 2, that is it, that is it, 3. Okay, for this infix, opening bracket, now value 1, that is 6 into 4. Now operator is this, divide, value 2, that is 8. After that, bracket complete. Now postfix, for the postfix, value 1, value 2 operator. So the value 1 will be 6, 4 multiplication. Okay, value 2 will be 8. After that, operator, that operator is divide. So let's erase this and push this 3 into this stack. Now 2 appear, 2 will push into every stack, plus operator appear. Now this is the operator. Okay, when the operator comes in the game, we need to pop 2 elements from every stack. The first element that we get here, that is value 1. After that, value 2. So solving this, 3 plus 2 plus 3, that is 5. For the infix, value 1, 2 operator plus value 2, double bracket, 6 into 4, bracket complete, divide by 8. After that, this bracket, and after completing this, again 1 bracket. Okay, now postfix expression, value 1, 2, value 2, 6, 4 into 8, divide, and last, in the last, operator. Okay, it's, here is this, and popping, sorry, pushing this 3 into this 3 stack. Okay, now minus appear, minus is a minus operator. Now minus is the operator. Now we need to pop the elements, 2 elements from every stack. First one will be, we get, that is v1, second one will be the v2. Now for solving this, 5 minus 3, that is 2. For the infix, opening bracket first, value 1, that is opening bracket, 2 plus double opening bracket, 6 into 4, 1 closing bracket, divide by 8, double closing bracket. After that, operator, now value 2, that is 3, and closing bracket. After that, we need to make the postfix also, v1, v2 operator. So the v1 will be 264 into 8, divided by plus 3, and the operator will be minus here. So this is our final expressions. Let's erase this, and we are pushing this element into every stack. Okay, so this is our final answer. So let's try to compare it with the sample output also. So this is our sample output. The value stack will get to us, opening bracket, double opening bracket, 2 plus double opening bracket, 2 plus double opening bracket, 6 into 4, double opening bracket, 6 into 4, closing bracket, divided by 8, double closing bracket, closing bracket, divided by 8, double closing bracket. Okay, minus 3 closing bracket, minus 3 closing bracket. Okay, this expression is also correct. Now postfix, 264 into 8, 264 into 8, divided by plus 3 minus, divided by plus 3 and minus. So all the expression are correct. So this is our approach to solve this question. So let's try to code it. So this is our ID. So for solving this question, we need 3 stack. First stack will be value, second stack will be for infix expression, and third stack will be for postfix expression. Okay, so for the value, this is our stack. For the value, for infix stack. For the postfix stack, this is our postfix stack. Okay, first, for solving the prefix expression and converting into infix and postfix, we need to travel from right to left. So the for loop, I in reversed range of length of expression. Okay, so this is a loop that we are traversing from right to left. So expression of I, and we need to consider here if the character is plus minus and divide multiplication, plus minus divide multiplication. Okay, if character is plus, or if character is minus, or if character is multiplication, or if character is dividation, if this character appears, so we need to solve the, we need to find the value first. After that, convert this into infix format. After that, convert this into postfix format. Okay. For finding the value, we get value 1 from val dot pop, value 2 from val dot pop. Okay. After finding this, we need to convert this. We need to find the final value. That is, answer is, we need to make this function value 1, value 2, value 1, value 2, and the character. After that, push this value into append, push this value into integer stack and make it into integer. Okay. After that, convert this into infix format. The infix format will be look like this: v1 operator, v2 plus closing bracket. The infix format will be look like this, and the postfix format will be v1 plus v2 plus operator. Okay. For the infix, now make some spaces here. Okay. For the infix, in value 1, that is coming from infix dot pop. Okay. In value 2, that is also coming from infix dot pop. After for the final infix in val, that is opening bracket plus v1, that is iv1 plus character plus iv2 plus closing bracket. So this is our infix expression, and we need to append this expression into into infix tag. Okay, so this is infix, this is for infix, this is for postfix, and it will become from postfix dot pop. So this is p1, pv1, this is pv2. Now the final expression, post val. Okay, so the post val, that is pv1 plus pv2 plus character, and we need to push this into postfix that dot append post val. So this is our expression for prefix and postfix. So now we need to append the operands into every stack. Okay, so the else part will be doing this thing. So in the value stack, value dot append int of ch. If the character is we need to push element into the integer stack, so we need to convert this operands into integer. Now infix dot append that character, and last postfix dot append that character. Okay, after doing these things, we need to print answer here. Print answers. Okay, so first one will be for value, second one will be for infix expression, and third one will be for postfix expression. Okay, so printing value here, print value is stored into the value stack, that is value dot pop. Okay, after that, infix expression is stored into the infix stack, so infix dot pop, and the postfix expression will be stored into the postfix stack, so postfix dot pop. So this will print our answer. We need to make this expression, make this function first. So the function will be definition solve v1 comma v2 comma ch character. If the character is plus, then we need to do something elif. If the character is minus, then we need to do something and elif character is multiplication, then we need to do something, and the last character will be division. So we need to return here from v1 plus v2. We are returning here v1 plus v2. If the character is minus, then returning v1 minus v2. If the character is multiplication, then return v1 into v2, and the character is division, then return v1 by v2. So this is our code for this. So let's try to run this code. Let's try to submit it. So submitted. I hope you understand all the I hope you understand the question and the solution of this question. Thank you for watching.